Let go! Let go! Let go! Let go of the face! Yeah, what do you think of that? Hi, Mommy! Ready? Purpose of a man is to love a woman. The purpose of a woman is to love a man. So come on, baby, let's start today. Come on, baby, let's play. Game of love, 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 love. It started a long time ago in the Garden of Eden when Adam said to Eve, "Baby, you're for me." Come on, baby, let's start today. Come on, baby, let's play. Game of love, 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 love. Game of love.
Oh my God.
What do you think? Better? God help me. Ready? Here we go. You're on top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love I have found ever since you've been around. Just put me at the top of the world. This is videoing. What do you think? Go see? Ready? Hey! Ready? Here we go again. What do you think? Get your thumb out here.
Aw.